The dog's a little bit excited, but that's to be expected. Let's see if we can move you up just a little bit closer here without the dog hitting the tripod. Okay. Pretty nice sized coon. Looks like he's going to go 20 pounds or better, maybe 25. We'll see here in just a minute. Just a minute, dog. Wait. Got his back foot in the coyote trap here. He wasn't going nowhere. Get back. Get back. I said to get back. Now lay down. I don't know if you all can see that or not, but he's got his whole foot in that trap. Let's see if we can get him out here without the helpers this morning. There we go. Okay. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Hey, that's enough. That's enough. Here, come on, let's go. Now, trying to keep it away from the dog. I'm sorry. I was gonna let you guys see that that's a nice big coon. Nice black one with the silver tip. He'll bring good money, if he'll bring any money. And we'll get this blood cleaned out of here real quick. Coyotes and stuff don't mind it, but I want to keep it clean anyhow a little bit. Was looking in the garage the other day and I seen all my knee pads hanging up on the shelf where they're supposed to be. I keep forgetting to get them. But I'm not going into town or nothing, so I guess I don't care too much. But by golly, I'll tell you what, they do keep your pants cleaner if you got them. Get everything squared away, get another dirt hole dug in here. Okay, some of this crud off of here. There we go. Take that down just a little bit there. The guy I bought these traps from, he night latched the pan on these, and so I just got to kind of feel my way through them each day to make sure, because they're all pretty close, but not exactly. Ooh, that'll get that thing to firing. Bumped that too many times. Okay, let's take this over on this side like this. Let's dig him a little hole this time. There we go, just like that. We'll cover that up and bury it down good. Get that spring all covered and packed down. Put that in there. Give that just a slight twist. Okay, now, told you the other day how them coons sometimes tear these pan covers up a little bit. You can kind of see he got a little bit angry at being restrained there. But we don't leave our garbage out here either. We pick it up and take it with us. If we can find it. Sometimes they shred it so bad that you just don't ever find the pieces. Put that in there. Pull that over. We'll fold this one over a little bit, because that's all there is a little bit to fold. But it'll work. We'll lift the loose jaw up. Just set this over the pan just like that. here to hold this wax paper down. There we go. Alright, now I put my gloves back on because my hands are cold. It's only about 20 degrees out here right now. Again, I like to go around the outside of my pan pretty much first. So I got dirt on there to get him packed in. Jaw area there packed good and tight. That way there's no wobble to it when them coyotes come in. We don't want any wobble when the coyotes come in. We want them to step right there in the center, and we want them waiting for us when we get here. All these good coon smells right here for us. Alright, there's that. Pull this back around here where it was at. Make our walk through. Brought my digging tool with me today, so that'll be a little handier. Instead of using that screwdriver or trap stake to make a hole, we'll make a little bigger hole this time. There we go. You're going to want to make your hole go pretty much close to straight down. You don't want it to be at an angle. If it's at a sharp angle like that and they come in low, they may step right over the pan of your trap a little more often. Again, that's something that I learned from an old trapper, and I've been passing it on to folks since then, and they've always had pretty good luck with that. Okay, that ought to be good enough. Put a rabbit leg in here this time. And we'll just put a little bit of dirt on here to kind of cover it up so the critters and the air don't come down on it. Put this stuff back up here like that. There's our walkthrough that we're looking for. Just like that. And that, folks, is all that it takes to catch a coon, or a bobcat, or a coyote. Right now I'm after coyotes, so that's where we're going to be on this deal probably. I think that's good enough. I think we'll put this little piece of stuff right there like that. And stick this one under here like that, kinda. Just kinda guide his foot right onto the trap pan. He'll step over that, he'll step around that, he'll be right in the center there. There we go. Everybody says, what do you do that for? And I said, oh, it shows them there's tracks there for some reason or another. There's that. There's that. And that's all we need to do. That'll just make him just go right where he needs to go. Okay, and that's how you make a remake on a coyote set where a big old coon got into it. Okay, so as you see, we got him where he's going to walk in. He's going to step over that little stick there, right in the center. Step around that one, come right into the center. Okay, well, I think that kind of shows you what we got. Now you notice that the bait in there is all covered with dirt, and that's so that the birds of prey can't see it, and that'll take care of that. All right, well, it looks like we got that coyote set done. And I'll check the other traps over here to make sure they got bait in them, the dog-proof traps. We'll talk to you later. Tom out.